Hello, everyone, and welcome to the true essence of an element creating change right here on Sonali's Cubo. And I am the founder, Vajanti Pugalia, welcoming you to a very engaging conversation today, which is in store for you. I'm super excited about today's talk because it's very true, very realistic, and from very heart to heart. And for that, before I speak anything further on it, I would like to invite Anandita Roy. Please, Anandita, may I have your screen, please?
Hi,
Welcome, Ananita, to my show,
thank you so
Sonali's
much.
Cubo. And I'm really excited to have you because you are phenomenal. And viewers, let me give a formal introduction to Ananita Roy. Her identity goes as the plus girl on the Instagram. She is a fashion influencer, a body activist, and a lovely human being. And she is doing immense in the world of fashion. She's going to talk a lot about it, and at the same time, creating a lot of awareness about issues pertaining to body positivity. So, welcome, Anandita.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. And I hope we have a great show today.
We will. And, I want to actually read out a few lines, Anandita, in your honor by my most favorite poetess, which is
Okay.
Maya Angelou. I'm sure you know this poem, which
Yeah.
is especially the part where it goes like now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say it's in the click of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, and the need for my care. Because I am a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me. And actually, I want to dedicate this poem to you because I've
Thank you so
seen
much.
your
It's an
work.
honor.
I've seen your work. You are phenomenal. Ladies and gentlemen, you must check out the Instagram feed of Ananita by the name of the Plus Girl. The way she is depicting body positivity, fashion as an influencer is commendable. It's absolutely amazing. Because, Anandita, I believe that some of the films and television shows, they portray a very negative quality about certain body types and skin types. The flawed
Yes.
depictions, they don't realize in this process that they're actually harming the society.
Yeah.
There's childhood bullying, there is personality development issues. But so much in this area of creating this awareness is happening in the digital space, and a lot of acceptance is happening. But again, we discussed this, it's very marginalized, it's never
Yeah.
a part of the mainstream. And
Yeah.
we as a society have normalized, actually literally normalized body shaming as a normal joke. it's like
Yeah.
it's like it's like a joke, which, yeah, jokey to hai, just take it, it's okay. you know you
Yeah.
it's become like that. So it's like you're taken for granted ki yaar, body shaming hai to kya hai. It's like a normal joke. So I actually want to start my conversation with you going back to your early years, when you were growing up, and
Mhm.
your mindset. How was it? Would you like to share with the audience, some of your memories,
Yeah.
your early days?
So, uh, uh, the thing is that, as a child, I was very thin. Growing up, when I was around, say, 12 years, 11, 12 years, that's when I started putting on weight. And it was, I think, because of hormonal changes and nothing else. Because, like, we, as a family history, we don't have an obesity history. My father and mother are like average size. My mother has put on weight now, but earlier in life she was not, she was on a, she was a regular size, and so was my dad. The thing is that, yeah, my like a lot, like there is a history of thyroid in my family. And my father thought maybe because all my buas, most like my own bua and my father's other cousins, they're all like on the heavier side because everyone has thyroid problem. So I was tested almost 5-6 times that if I have got thyroid or not, because I was also putting on weight, right? So yeah, I started putting on weight. So there was a body change, like, I mean, see, accepting myself was also very difficult. And uh, as a girl who is 10, 11, 12 years old, she doesn't understand, right? Like, you would be like, yeah, I mean, body is changing and you don't know why it's changing, because you are growing up, you are entering your teens, and hormonally there are a lot of changes that happens. And at the same time, when I was 11, 12 years old, this was back in 95, 96, 97. Okay. And अभी तो फिर भी acceptance हो रहा है, तब acceptance नहीं था. मतलब there were times when I have been made fun of by रास्ते में चलते हुए aunties have made fun of me. Okay. And my friends have not, but yeah, I mean, kids in school or maybe like, other kids have made fun of me. And कभी कभी दोस्तों में भी, like, like you were saying that एक जोक तो चलता है, like, it's just a joke, but वो मतलब वो एक जोक चलता नहीं है, वो जोक basically मजाक बन गया है. Like in lot of TV shows you see, right? Like, I mean, mote, like if you're fat, you are like, you become a funny character जिसका सब कोई मजाक उड़ा रहा है. Like
Actually,
everyone is making fun of that person. uh, but that has just become a norm. Like, हाँ, I mean, चलता है, this चलता है attitude is very like it's not
it's
acceptable.
not
You
okay.
can't,
I
like,
do get the picture.
I
But
mean,
then, Anandita, going back to the years when you were 10, 11 years old, growing up,
yeah,
not knowing what's happening with your body, as you said,
yeah.
Abhi, you've accepted because that maturity is there.
Yeah,
You are,
there
yeah.
was a lot of difficulty in accepting my body type.
Was a lot of bullying around you in school, in family?
I won't say there was a lot of bullying, but lot of uh, people
Basic
have made
school
fun
का
of. Yeah,
advice.
bullying nahi us type se, because bullying is a very, very, very. See, I think bullying. I have seen there was this fat boy in my class, and he was little. Like he had some issues, like mentally some issues. So there were other people in my class who have made fun of him, and he was like bullied.
Right.
He was bullied, like but I have not been bullied by my friends or my, like, in any other way. But yeah, shaming, like, shameful comments, hate comments, yeah, I have got
Did
it.
you also have to
uh,
go through a time when in your classes, in groups, in friends, with peers, you were like sidelined and not made a part of the?
yeah, always. I have been sidelined because, oh, अच्छा, हाँ, I mean, तू डांस करेगी, तू कर लेगी क्या, मतलब, whereas I'm very good in dancing. Okay, like and why do and I don't know why I had to, like, वो एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ता था मुझे अपना सब कुछ प्रूव करने के लिए. भाई, I am just fat, I am not challenged.
I get
Like,
that, it is taken like a disease, it's like a
yeah, I
disease.
mean, even a handicapped person is capable of doing a lot of things that we normal people can't do. Like, I don't know why, like, it's like, कि तुम्हें कोई disease है और क्या तुम ये कर लोगी, क्या तुम दौड़ पाओगी, क्या तुम नाच पाओगी, क्या तुम ये कर, like, अच्छा तू फुटबॉल खेल लेगी, हाँ खेल लूंगी भाई, मतलब मेरे फिटनेस पे there is no question. Like, I am as fit as you are.
I do get the
Yeah.
picture, Anita, because I think as a growing up young girl, and if you are sidelined and sort of looked down upon, body shamed, there's so much that happens internally, which you can't like put it out there.
Yeah, true.
So if I have to ask you, how did you challenge all these stigmas coming towards you, all this? But yes, before that, I want to tell the audience that if you have any questions or if you have any thoughts that you want to share with us today, please drop it down in the comment box and I will pick it up from there and initiate that towards Ananita. Yes, Ananita, you were sharing your some experiences.
Yeah, so to accept myself, my body, it has taken a lot and lot of time, uh, as in lot mentally, and lot of time, because you can't accept yourself so easily. Because I have grown, because my father had a transferable job. So though I'm from Calcutta, but we used to stay in small towns. I've grown up mostly in this town called Durgapur. As in, of course, body shaming was very common over there, because people didn't know that, I mean, how to treat. Like, they thought being fat is basically a crime. uh, then actually I scored well, so I got through Miranda House. And that's when, like, I started gaining confidence, because when I saw other girls, uh, like, and I saw that, एक चीज और जो मुझे दिखा, that, even if you wear anything, people wouldn't laugh at you or make fun of you, or how you look or how you dress up. So what happened was, till class 12, I used to wear a lot of Western clothes. And then I don't know what happened to me. I started wearing suits, like complete, like,
Covering yourself up.
I mean, a 16-year old girl, like, started wearing suits, like, with dupatta. And I had a huge issue, because people used to make fun of my arms, because they are fat, like, right? So they will be like, अरे काफी का तेरे तो मसल्स, मतलब ऐसे बाहुबली टाइप्स
कौन
हाथ है.
से चक्की का आटा खाते हो तुम, तो
हाँ, हाँ,
बहुत खाती
या,
पीते घर की लगती हो एंड स्टफ
हाँ,
लाइक
मतलब
दैट.
ये तो बहुत ही मतलब हाथ को लेके मजाक उड़ाना. सो आई यूज्ड टू, लाइक, आई रिमेम्बर आई यूज्ड टू वेयर दुपट्टा एंड आई यूज्ड टू पिन इट, लाइक, बोथ साइड, ताकि वो एकदम लटके रहे मेरे. नाउ यू सी, लाइक, आई एम वेयरिंग अ स्लीवलेस एंड दैट टू अ स्ट्रैपी ड्रेस. पहले मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत भी नहीं थी कि मैं ऐसी चीजें पहनूं, राइट? आई यूज्ड टू वेयर, लाइक, लॉन्ग स्लीव्स with dupatta, so that my arms are not visible, right? So when I went to Miranda House, that's when I started wearing, okay, dupatta ko chhod diya, chalo, let's not wear dupatta, and you had this very cool dressing thing, like, wear kurti patiala or say kurti denim. I started wearing denim also. And then dhire dhire I started wearing denim, like, when in winters I used to wear it with jackets and, sweaters and all of that. So yeah, I mean, धीरे धीरे मेरे में थोड़ा confidence आया that Anandita, you can wear it and people are not going to make fun. And I think, yeah, that was, and I also started doing theater. I used to do street theater. So I think the confidence building started from there, because you were, like, I was on stage and I was getting recognized for my talent and not for how I look or who I am, like, for my talent, for a quality that I have in me.
That's so
And
great, Ananita. So viewers, you are hearing Ananita Roy, who goes by the identity of the Plus Girl, who has more than 20,000 followers on her Instagram. And you should see, this is because she has earned it through her talent of, just being herself. It's just her that she's flaunting. She doesn't have any product to sell. She is marketing her talent and exhibiting what she is inside, outside, which has got her so much of fame. And I thought, who better person to come and speak with me on body shaming and body confidence than Ananita Roy. And here she is sharing about some of her early experiences in life and how she's handling this, these words, these tough words coming her way, and then gaining a confidence out of it. Yes, Ananita, I really want to hear, how did you manage uh, to handle the word family? Because in my view, I think your close, loved and dear ones, your
yeah,
extended families, they are more, conscious about you than the outsiders. So
I will, let me just first tell you that, how I tackled myself, like,
yeah,
accepting my body, and then I'll tell you about my family
right.
journey. So what happened was, like, I mean, Delhi was one of the eye opener. And then I lost my father in 2006. So in 2008, 9, I shifted to Calcutta. Again, I think thoda na, and by this time I was working, I was in advertising, and you know how advertising life is very cool. Like, people don't judge again, like, your colleagues and everyone, they are very pretty fun people to be with. And I used to go to Bombay for shoots, as in brand shoots and all of that. So I would be like, okay, like, let me buy like a dress, and like, and I would go out wearing in Bombay, and I would be like, wow, people here doesn't care like what you wear. Like, Bombay is that kind of a city where, like, Delhi mein fir bhi like people point out and all of that. Bombay is one city where they don't even bother. It's a very global outlook that they have, and I think I love that city for this one reason. Okay. Uh, so yeah, I mean, I started buying dresses from Bombay, and I used to come back to Calcutta. I used to wear those dresses with shrugs. In Calcutta, like, I still now things have changed, but at that time, back in 2009, 10, like, things were not that acceptable. Like, people used to make fun. Like, mere sath aisa bhi hua hai, like, I was in metro traveling to my office, and I think I was wearing a sleeveless kurti, and I had just started. Till 2013, I had not ever worn a sleeveless kurti. Like, I started wearing sleeveless from 2013. That too, like, dupatta dhak ke and all of that. And 2014, actually, I shifted to Bombay, and dhire, that's when I think that's when, like, I started, I'm like, fuck it. No one cares. Nothing happens. कोई बोलेगा, वो बोल के चला जाएगा. वो तेरा बिल पे नहीं कर रहा है. वो तू जो ड्रेस खरीद रही है ना, उसका भी बिल नहीं पे कर रहा है. So just let it be. Like, you really need to calm down. If you can pull off, and you can pull it off, and you have a good dressing sense, then why not wear whatever you want to? And that's when dhire shrug, matlab, if I'm wearing a strappy dress, so no shrugs, no shrugs with my sleeveless also, short skirts, everything happened. So I think acceptance bahut dhire hua.
So you think that the main reason for acceptance was shifting to Mumbai?
Yes. And I think people over there, like how they are, they don't make fun of you, and they don't judge you. I think that helped a lot. Yeah. And so, I give this to Mumbai city.
So here
and
is
Mumbai
this woman
girls
who used to, till 2013, who's not worn a strappy dress. Here is a woman who always had a shrug on her body while she was in Kolkata. Viewers, check her Instagram account. You'll be shocked that how she flaunts a bikini, how she flaunts her body with the confidence that I think not even a skinny girl is going to be doing it. So hats off to you and Anita on that. And I would like to know, you shifted to Mumbai. So is it then when your journey as a fashion influencer started? I mean, like, you have crazy fan following, and I've seen your pictures, your modeling, your ramp walks. I've seen it all on Instagram, on YouTube's. You're fantastic. Tell me about your journey. First part I want to know is, how did you start it? And then I would like you to tell us, what is the kind of industry fashion opens out to the plus size? Is it the acceptability there or not?
Yeah. I still have one question to answer, which is the family part. I'll come to that later, because that will, because right now what I talk about, my fashion influencing journey, and then I'll stem to the family part, because that comes later. Because until and unless I tell you what I do, you will not understand how my family accepted it, or have they accepted it or not.
Perfect.
So back in 2016, I started dating this Bengali guy from Bombay. He's raised in Bombay, born and brought up in Bombay. So like, earlier everything was fine, hunky-dory, like, like how relationships are, like, the boy wooing the girl, and like, trying to be very nice and everything. And then later, like, I mean, he used to tell me, oh, you have a very pretty face, but I think you have an ugly body, like, you are very heavy, and you and I would be like, aren't you dating me? Don't you love me for who I am? And do you like care about how my body is? Like, does it matter? He would be like, no, I actually like other qualities that you have. But I'm like, but you're criticizing my body, right? Like, you're shaming my body. And and धीरे धीरे ना मेरे को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस का झटका लगा था तभी. And I was like, what am I doing? Do I want to really be with this guy? Like, and but what happened, आपको जब प्यार होता है ना, तो आपके आंखों में एक पट्टी पड़ जाती है और आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. You are almost like blindfolded, right? And sometimes you don't understand what is happening. So I continued dating this guy, and he broke up with me.
Okay.
And I'm very thankful to him that अगर वो नहीं करता ना, तो मैं तो उसके मतलब मैं उस I would have been in that toxic relationship for I don't know how many years, okay? And I was not realizing it. And I'm thankful to him that he left me. And बोलते हैं ना, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. I was very sad after it, and I so I used to work with this girl. She Ria Arora. So she is almost 7-8 years young, I think, maybe more than that, younger than me. And she would be like, Anindita, aap na matlab kuch karo, acha karo, you should do something, you have great fashion sense, and why don't you talk about it, like, talk about plus size fashion, start your Instagram page. I said, I don't understand Insta, I only have a Facebook. So she's like, I'll teach you. And that's when we started talking. And one day I just started that page, and she said that ek acha naam rakhna, huh? So I'm like, yeah, I mean, plus size, let's have the plus girl. And when I say plus girl, it's not the size, I'm talking about plus as a quality. Okay, so that's what the idea was. And because I'm from advertising, I just don't, I think a lot about branding. So that's how the plus girl came as a thought. And then she helped me, and I had some old pictures and I started posting them. And the first day I posted one picture, I got 100 followers on the first day. And that was an eye opener. I'm like, okay, aisa bhi hota hai kya? And I started talking about breaking fashion stereotypes. And when you're actually talking about fashion stereotypes, you are actually then concluding and somehow talking about body positivity, because fashion stereotype break karna matlab you have fat arms, so you can't wear sleeveless, you can't wear white because you're fat, you can't wear short skirt because you have fat thigh. So you were actually then touching the point of body positivity. And धीरे धीरे ऐसे मेरा पेज ग्रो होते रहा. And June, so I started this in December 2017. But I don't know, it was, so my father died on 28 December 2006, and on 28 December itself I started this page. And I think unke hi blessing se ye page start hua tha, and that's the reason why I'm doing so well. My mother and dad, my father and mother, have a very, very broad mind. They're very broad-minded people. Like when my father was around, he used to tell me that start wearing things that you like. Don't think what people are saying, or कोई तुम्हारा मजाक बना रहा है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So my father used to tell me all this, and he used to buy things for me. Like he would tell me that buy that skirt, buy a top, and start wearing all this. What is this dupatta and suit you are wearing all the time? So, I think he would have been very happy if he was around, but
I'm
I'm
so
I'm sure
I'm
he's seeing it.
actually very positive about that, Ananita. I
Yeah,
can see the nostalgic, aura that you are getting in, and I'm so happy that the days were the same. The dates coincided. It's indeed a blessing, and your page
yeah,
started, and but then you also started to do these fashion segments and walking the ramp as well.
yeah. I
Uh,
was just coming to that.
yeah,
So almost after 6 months, no, I thought a lot about it, that I mean, my followers were following me. Fashion tak theek tha, but a lot of people would be like, अच्छा मतलब आप तो ड्रेस पहन लेते हो पर हम नहीं पहन पाते, हमें शर्म आती है अभी भी, like we are shy. And I will be like, dude, like अगर मैं ड्रेस पहन के फिर भी अचीव नहीं कर पा, अगर I can't still if she's still not getting the uh, confidence to wear the dress even
definitely.
after
Yeah,
seeing me, then I need to do something more.
true.
That's when I started doing lingerie shoots, and
Tell
I
me about
wanted
your
to tell
first
her
shoot.
that if I can do it, you can wear that dress.
Oh, yes,
If
yes.
I can just pose in front of the camera in a lingerie, I think you can wear that dress and come out, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. लोग कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
That's
ये लाइंस ना और ये गाना बहुत बहुत फिट बैठता है, क्योंकि सच में, आई मीन, द सोसाइटी विल नेवर एक्सेप्ट यू. Society will never ever accept you. You will have to do what you want, and you can work towards changing the perspective of the society, but you can only, आप घोड़े को पानी तक लेके आ सकते हो, पर वो पानी पिएगा कि नहीं वो
a
उसके
guarantee.
ऊपर.
Yeah, true. So, Ananita,
Yeah,
that's wonderful that you actually wanted to take your viewers, your followers to a level where you told them कि देखो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप क्यों नहीं, which is so motivating. And you actually did these lingerie fashion walks and lingerie shoots as well. Would you remember anything of when it was your first shoot? How were you feeling? Do you recall anything about that day? If you would like
I
to
was
share it with
very,
us.
I was very shy. Firstly, my camera person, like the photographer, was very sweet. He was younger than me, so he said that कि आप ना ऐसे you don't worry. I'm like your friend only, like a brother. I'm younger than you, so don't worry. आप post करो. Like he made me feel very very uh, easy, and
Yeah.
I think that was very helpful, and I did it at a friend's place, so I think that was also helpful because the environment was
Oh, yeah.
yeah, it was a homely environment, and I think that made it much more easier. But I think that's one shoot, and after that everything was fine.
So, would you like
Yeah,
to share that how do you think the fashion world accepts, this entire plus size? Because as we were discussing on the WhatsApp, that it's still not a part of the mainstream. It's sort of categorized into one area only. And you are from the fashion world. What do you have to say about this? That do you think? I mean, forget the body positivity campaigns and all. That's
yeah,
generating awareness and
yeah,
acceptance.
yeah,
That's different. But clothes is what is needed by plus size people.
yeah, yeah,
Fashion industry is so huge in India. Every second house there is a fashion designer, big or small. Where
yeah.
do you see plus size fashion in India? And do you think that enough work is being done in this field? Because if I open up the internet, there sometimes you do see the main brands who are also now having a separate section as a plus size, but you are the right person to ask because you're a fashion influencer, you're working with them. What do you have to say about that?
Okay, I will talk about year 2014. uh, I went to Dubai for work, and that H&M had not come to India by then. I was very happy because I went to the H&M store, the Forever 21 store, and there were as a plus size section, and I shopped like crazy. Before that, in India, I used to only like, अगर आप डबल एक्सेल तक है, मतलब खींच तान के, तो कुछ कुछ brands का you will get some clothes. Otherwise, there is no option. Local में, like, you know, I mean local, like the local manufacturers of kurtis and like, you know,
Yeah.
denims
Working
and
at the grassroots level, right?
yeah, they might produce a little bigger plus size clothes, and they do. But then, you know, I mean, I have seen a lot of street fashion who has a lot of plus size option. Till date, India mein H&M, I think only big brands mein H&M has a plus size section. Otherwise, you go to Zara, you don't find options. You go to other luxury brand, other big brands. I don't think most of them have anything. बहुत लोगों ने ट्राई किया है प्लस साइज फैशन करने के लिए, लाइक आई रिमेम्बर, सो या आई मीन Shoppers West Side has Sassy Soda, which is a plus size brand. They have some cool clothes, but again very restricted, like not huge collection. I like few of their stuff. एक बहुत बड़ा Shein was quite a big website jahan se, like, you know, you would get a lot of cool western plus size clothing, but ab wo ban ho chuka hai. There was Stock by Love. I think they have also closed their website. There are a lot of Indian homegrown brands, but the problem with them are, and I really like few of them, but you know, the problem with them is they're doing very मतलब प्लस साइज है तो ना ढकने वाले कपड़े पहन बनाएंगे, मतलब कुर्ता बनाएंगे तो यहाँ तक, क्यों हम we don't want to wear deep neck. Or then at least, yeah, there might be a customer segmentation. You need to cater to everyone. Not everyone wants to wear the same clothes. So I think Indian homegrown brands need to understand that they have different kind of TGs. Not every TG wants to wear a full sleeve, you know, gala band wala kurta or a dress. They want a little plunging neck or a short cloth. So that thing is not there in India. You get a lot of option in street shopping. Like in Bombay, I used to like shop almost every second month. बट या आई मीन जिनके पास ये ऑप्शन नहीं है तो वो बहुत लिमिटेड हो जाता है.
So
That's
what
the
do you,
whole point.
and so this we are talking in terms of the availability of the sizes as plus size. As you said that few of the brands cater to maybe just double XL. वो भी उनका double XL का जो definition है और size chart है वो देखने लायक होता है.
A lot of brands will, like, you know, they will say, oh, we have plus size collection, but if you just see, they actually don't have plus size collection. It might just be up till double XL,
right?
And that's it. And plus size is just not double XL. There is UK size 18, 20, 22, 24, 26,
right,
and
so,
above. Like,
beyond this, if I have to ask you, when you go for your shoots, you are doing your ramp shows, you know, you are meeting so many other models, thin and plus, you know, what you, and then you're meeting the organizers, you're meeting the brand owners, you're meeting as far as the technicians also, like the light to the spot boys to the camera. So in totality, if I have to ask you, what is the kind of response that plus size models get compared to the thin ones?
First, let's talk about the hypocrisy of the brands in selecting models, okay? If you see, like, you know, even a plus size brand, like a complete plus size brand would like, you know, actually take a model who is not actually plus size. They would take a model who is curvy.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, अगर तुम्हारा brand plus size है, then showcase an actual plus size person. I mean, why show a curvy girl? A curvy girl is ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
Yeah,
maybe XL in size.
true.
Yeah, a plus size actually start from double XL, triple XL, right? So
Mhm.
showcasing of actual plus size is very limited. There are very few brands who are doing it, and I always support those brands who does it. Secondly, the hypocrisy is that, you know, with plus size influencers, I'll come to the modeling part later. I'll talk about the influencers. Most of the brands are expecting free work from us. They are not ready to pay us for our you know, every time we like, you know, they approach us, they want barter, right? And even if you see, and I'm calling out brands, I'm not going to name the brand, but there is, of course, you know, there is this one big brand who does their show with Lakme Fashion Week,
Yeah.
and they don't pay the plus size models for walking the ramp.
Wow.
And I have not been part of them, but yeah, I mean, I know people, and I have auditioned for them, so I know that, you know, they don't pay the models for walking the ramp. They
Because do they think
as
that
if
they're
it's a
doing
favor they are doing to
yeah,
us.
right,
You know,
right.
it's treated as a favor.
Mhm.
They don't and every time it feels like every brand working with us is making us do a favor.
Mm.
लाइक हम हमारे साथ तो तुम तो फेवर ही कर रहे हो हमारे साथ काम करके, हमें लाइक, यू नो, हमें तुमने मौका दिया तो हमें तुम्हारा आभारी होना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड दैट दे हैव.
Mhm.
There are very few brands who respect what you do
Mhm.
and they pay you, and that's the reason I go back to them and I work with them.
Mhm.
Of course, we support small brands, but why to work free for big brands is my question, and why even they expect us to do work for free
True,
is also a question.
true. And you were mentioning something about the models and your
Yeah,
co-viewers, yeah.
yeah. So like I touched the point, like, you know, most like we are not paid as much as a regular model for sure. When even if it's come to a lingerie model, a regular lingerie model
Mhm.
uh, would be getting 30 to 40K
Mhm.
for one shoot. We don't get so much.
Mhm. Mhm.
We don't get so much. We that's the that's the problem with our industry. We are, and the problem is that, you know, there are a lot of girls who wants to be a plus size model, and you know, they just to get one chance वो free में काम कर लेते. तो वो जो तुम अगर free में कर रहे हो ना, तो तुम बाकियों के लिए भी वो free का ही expect करवाते हो. That's my problem
So
with
coming
this
back to what you
industry.
just said, do you think that there is a lot of so I'm not talking now in terms of models, but in
Yeah,
terms of those girls and women who are plus sizes and overweight? I don't
yeah,
know if you like using the word overweight, because who has demarcated weight so that
yeah,
it becomes over, who are the ones who
yeah,
actually demarcated
yeah.
it? But anyhow, um, I was just on the Instagram the other day and I was going to this video by Fiza Khan, and she was talking about how so many pageants are actually conning pageants wherein
Yeah,
they have the
yeah,
plus size women participate, and it's absolutely a facade.
yeah. They are actually taking money from you, and it's basically and nothing else. They're
Right.
just asking you to pay, and that's how it is happening. And um, basically, it's just matlab, it's all
The
gimmick
money
and
making
nothing
gimmick.
else.
Right, right.
I have been asked to judge such events, or maybe, like, you know, earlier when I started, a lot of people asked me that, you know, be participate in this pageant. I said no, I don't want to. I want to create my own niche my way, and I think I am still working on it, and I'm not that big enough, and I will do whatever I can to, you know, do spread the message, and I'm going to
Definitely.
create my.
So, Nanita, if I have to ask the audiences, or if I ask anyone who is afraid of the F word, FAT, it is the word which women are actually, indoctrinated to detest. Am I looking fat? Am I like put on
Yeah,
weight? And the whole facade is around this three-letter word. And,
yeah,
the fear of being labeled as, that you are fat is actually the stigma. Whereas even though 60% of India's population is plus size, but still there is so much of hypocrisy around the fashion world, so much
yeah,
of hypocrisy amongst the society, and even the plus size fashion or plus size awareness, or you can say body positivity, they have not been able to take the mainstream momentum in India. Because somewhere, as you just said, it is just not about plus size or being fat. It is about creating the awareness in people that just let us be, it's okay. If you are, so am I. That is one thing which people are not understanding. Coming
yeah.
with this to your family, and you now
Mhm.
doing so much in the world of fashion, fashion shows as an influencer. So how did it all turn around for you at your family level?
Uh, like I said, my dad is not around. He is no more. It's just me and my mother. And earlier when I started doing lingerie shoots, I had to explain her because she doesn't come like she's very open-minded, but of course she doesn't understand. She didn't understand the meaning of body positivity, and I had to make her understand. And I think she understood at her level, but we stay in not a joint family, but my uncle, like my uncle and auntie also stay in the same building. So my uncle, few of my relatives were very happy with what I was doing. And I think my mother also accepted this because my mother's mama, mommy, their children like stays in US. And my mother's mommy actually told my mother that this is big in US, and I love what she's doing. And my masi mama from US, they actually love what I do, and they have actually appreciated my work and all of that. So I think that also helped me in building a case with my mother, which she understood at late. Like she took some time to understand, but she understood. But like I was telling, my uncle, he doesn't talk to me because he thinks that मैंने family का नाम खराब किया है.
Oh,
Whereas I can't make him understand that I've received an award for my work, for my fashion
yes,
page.
yes.
I have been nominated by Cosmopolitan twice, and I have been nominated by Exhibit magazine this year.
Yes, that's
I have been featured in so many publications, Cosmo, TOI, and all of that. And I really can't, like, आप नहीं समझा सकते हो जिनका, like, if they have created a wall, you can't break that
no.
wall.
You
अब मेरे family में there are two sides, like, uh, most of the people like what I do, and there are few who doesn't. So I have kept them away from my work, and like I'm like, yeah, ठीक है, तुमको बात नहीं करनी है तो बात नहीं करनी है, but I'm not going to leave because you didn't pay my bill when my father died. You still don't pay my bills, so yeah, I don't care. That's my attitude.
definitely,
That's how I deal in life. Like, I mean,
living your life at your
yeah,
terms.
I mean,
And
when my father passed away, I was a kid. I was still studying, and तब अगर किसी ने मेरे को नहीं
मदद
तब
करा
अगर
तो
किसी ने
fine.
मेरे को नहीं देखा, तो अभी
Why not?
तुमको बोलने का हक नहीं है, is what I believe, and I will stick to that.
So, body shaming does not forgive anyone, if whether it's a woman's weight or a man's height. Everything in between is apparently a fair game for the self-appointed custodians of morality and rightness.
Yeah,
According to
I
them,
mean, that's
it's
what.
like, yeah, it's like your body stats is their calling. It's their judgments. What your body stats needs to be,
Yeah.
and they would call you like lazy and whatever it is.
I have been told by the same person and few others that lose weight and you will get a husband. And so my one of my cousin, like, so two of my uncle, like one uncle passed away, but his daughter got married recently, uh, and she got married, and a lot of relatives think that वो मुझसे छोटी है, तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसकी पहले शादी हो या मेरी हो, एंड आई एम 35, आई एम सिंगल. बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन माय फैमिली और मे बी जिनका सोच वैसा है, उनको लगता है कि मेरी इसलिए शादी नहीं हुई है क्योंकि आई एम फैट. They don't understand the fact that I am not married because it's my choice. I haven't found the right person, right? And I don't feel that marriage is important in life. I think my career is more important, and
It's very, very
that is how
beautiful.
I think and I feel, like, and the day I feel that that yeah, I found the person who accepts me for who I am and who understands what I do, I'm going to get married to that person. And if that doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, it's okay. That's
So,
how the
viewers, you're
life is going
listening
to
to
be.
Ananita Roy. The Plus Girl is her identity on Instagram. You can see the confidence, the amount of great work Ananita is doing by the name of The Plus Girl on Instagram, and follow her and check her out. How she's spreading her positivity, her confidence, telling the viewers about not to feel ashamed about your body demographic. If you are so, you are so. It's perfectly fine whether you have flabby arms or tires around your waist. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you're flaunting your being, and I'm sure your being is much more important than something which is so temporary. So we should actually look more, as they say, in inwards rather than what is depicted outwards. And even if outwards we are what we are, acceptance is big. Anandita, what would you like to tell all those girls, all those women who are listening to you, but are still so ashamed that they're not able to wear the clothes that they want to? They are, so as you say, they are feeling shy in wearing, like a sleeveless kurta, or, wearing denims, or even shy of putting on makeup because anyway they feel that they don't have the confidence to carry out, again with the stigma ki log kya kahenge, and you don't have the figure to wear it. What would you like to tell all of them?
Okay, firstly, I'll take a little more time to explain what is body positivity.
So
Firstly, body positivity का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम मोटी हो तो like you accept yourself. You body positive means that you are loving yourself and you accept yourself the way you are. मतलब तुम अपने आप को change करके प्यार करोगे, that's not you. Accepting yourself in whatever state. Like today, I am 104 kgs. I love myself. Yesterday I was 122. I still love myself, and tomorrow even if I lose some more or gain some more, I'm going to love myself. And body positivity also includes all kind of shapes, all kind of colors, and all kind of size. So even a lot of dark people or short people get harassed, bullied, shamed. So body shaming is everything. Whatever, like तुम काले को काले बोलना, मोटे को मोटे बोलना, और नाटे को नाटे बोलना is body shaming. Even takla, this is all body shaming. These are all part of body shaming. And body positivity comes from acceptance, like self acceptance of whatever you are, and how you you, whether you love yourself or not. That's it. Self love is body love. That is firstly my message to everyone. Second, the part that I want to say is that hum jab I want people to normalize things, like when a normal, like a thin girl wears a bikini, people don't say, oh, you are confident. But when I wear a bikini, people say, oh, you are confident. But why are we creating this distinction? I mean, I am normal only. I am not like मेरे यहाँ से अदरक
yeah,
नहीं. हाँ, like I mean,
putting an
कुछ
effort.
अलग से
Yeah.
confidence का hello नहीं निकल रहा है मेरे सर के पीछे से, that that, oh, you are so confident. I understand where people come from, like when they call you confident. But I want to say that let's normalize this. Like let's say that हाँ ठीक है ना, बहुत अच्छा किया उसने भी पहना, ठीक है, नॉर्मल है ये तो,
Hmm.
लेट्स डू दैट, लेट्स वर्क टुवर्ड्स दैट, लाइक मेकिंग थिंग्स नॉर्मल फॉर एवरीवन, राइट? आई मीन अगर किसी डार्क स्किन पर्सन ने अगर व्हाइट पहन लिया तो वो नॉर्मल है, मतलब वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। या फिर किसी नाटे लाइक यू नो शॉर्ट गर्ल ने अगर एक लॉन्ग कुर्ती पहन लिया, और यू नो दैट्स नॉट कॉन्फिडेंस, इट्स नॉर्मल। वो कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, हाँ, लाइक हम जैसे पहनते हैं वैसे कोई दूसरा पहन रहा है, इट्स बेसिकली, you're getting my point, right? What I'm trying to say.
Of
So yeah,
course, what you're
let's
trying to
make
just say is
everything
कि why do
normal.
we need to highlight? इतना हमें क्यों उसको इतना बड़ा बनाना है कि अगर एक
हाँ,
एक प्लस पर्सन ने अगर बिकिनी पहनी है, या अगर कुछ ऐसा काले ने कुछ कलर लगा लिया है या कुछ कपड़े पहन लिए, तो उसमें कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं है।
extra effort नहीं है, it's everything is normal, like it's as normal as it can be, that's it. I mean हम दुर्गा माँ को भी पूछते हैं, हम काली माँ को भी पूछते हैं, हम अलग से नहीं बोलते कि वो काली माँ में कॉन्फिडेंस है, नहीं बोलते हैं ना, दोनों की
So
शक्ति को
I
बराबर
think this is the
पूछते हैं।
best way, Ananyata, that you are summing up this entire conversation, which I think is going to hit us so strongly in our minds कि जब हम अपने भगवानों में वो अलग विचार नहीं
फर्क नहीं करते तो हम
exactly, इंसानों में
हम
क्यों करते हैं?
हम
Exactly.
इंसानों में क्यों करें, हाँ। एंड टुडे आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग अ डांस शो,
Right.
लाइक जस्ट अ वायरल क्लिप, जहाँ पे एक ट्रांसजेंडर का रोल प्ले कर रहा था कोरियोग्राफर, एंड ही सेड दैट भगवान ने हमें बनाते हुए वो डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं की,
Yeah,
भेदभाव नहीं किया, तो हम इंसान क्यों करते हैं? तो
true.
it goes for all of us, like why should we go through so much shaming? Like, you know, I
Exactly.
mean, transgenders ko, like, you know, everyone faces so much shaming, like all around, like, you know, तुम गे हो, तुम लेस्बियन हो, तुम ट्रांसजेंडर हो, तुम मोटे हो, तुम काले हो, तुम नाटे हो, तुम बॉल्ड हो, क्यों भाई? हम इंसान हैं, दैट्स ऑल वी नीड टू नो, दैट्स इट। एंड हम कुछ भी पहने, कुछ भी करें, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। सब अपनी जिंदगी में खुश रहो, एंड यू नो यू आर, एवरीवन इज पेइंग देयर ओन बिल, एवरीवन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ। तुम मेरा दुख बांटने नहीं आ रहे हो तो मेरी खुशी बांटने अगर नहीं आ सॉरी, अगर मेरी
अगर आप
खुशी
मेरे
में
अगर आप मेरे दुख में
शामिल,
शामिल नहीं हो, तो आप मेरी खुशी का हिस्सा बनो, बट देन उस पे ताने मत मारो। Is that
हाँ, और
exactly?
ऑल्सो आई थिंक, मतलब यू नो डोंट एड टू माई मिजरी इज वॉट आई एम सेइंग, लाइक यू नो, अगर मेरे को देख के खुशी नहीं मना सकते हो तो फिर मेरे दुख में भी लाइक डोंट एड टू माई मिजरी is what,
Absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely. I think that's very, very rightly put, Ananita. And to all the women out there, I know it's a long way before we can turn uh, ahead permanently towards the concept of normalcy, as Ananita says, कि not highlighting the fact कि कोई plus है, या कोई काला है, या कोई नाटा है, is a long way to go. But what we can do today is, tell ourselves, love ourselves in totality, however we are. God has made us the way we are, and we should find the strength within us. At the end of the day, it is you who's going to take yourself ahead, and no one is going to come and walk the path
true,
alongside with you. It's you who has to fight all the battles. Yes, you will have family, you will have friends, but that last decision is going to be yours. So it's up to
true.
you what you want to make of it. Thank you, Anandita. I think
Thank you so much. I
I
just want to say one last thing,
please,
that you know,
please.
fight it out, fight it for no one else but for yourself. तुम खुद पहले तो खुद से लड़ो और खुद को समझाओ, एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि जमाने से लड़ो, और just because you know जिंदगी, you just got one chance to the life, and don't miss out on it, that's it.
Absolutely. And to all the viewers, I'm talking to the plus girl. That's her identity on Instagram, Anandita Roy. She's a fashion influencer, has a whole list of fans who are following her on Instagram. A woman who speaks volumes on inclusivity and normalcy, which she wants to bring about through her work. A self-dependent woman who is barging the era now, and is trying to say that, I am, and this is the way I am, whether you want to accept me or not. And I am beautiful in totality. So, yes, I think we all should at least visit her profile and see the kind of work she's doing, and pick up our own taking back attitude from there, which can make our life more positive and more accepting and more beautiful. So thank you, Ananyata. I
Thank you
think
so
I
much for having
totally
me.
love the conversation. I can go on for hours talking to you, but we have limited time. But
Yeah, of
yes,
course.
keep doing the great work you are doing.
Thank
And
you.
I hope in near future, I get to meet you in person and give you a tight hug.
We both are in Calcutta. We shall do that sometime once the
Absolutely.
pandemic scare is over.
Absolutely. So thank you, my dear. And thank you,
Thank you.
viewers, for joining us today. And Anandita, all the very best for all your
Same
future
to you.
endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.